Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Manuel, and in this video I'm going to take you guys through Adobe Premiere Pro. So we are going to start from point A to the last point Z. So stay with me as I take you through point A to Z. But in our first video we are going to talk about the interface of Adobe Premiere Pro, where I take you through everything about the interface. But before I start, please ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You share this link to any beginner out there. Now let's get into the video. All right, so this is what you have to know about Adobe Premiere Pro. It is one of the most used video editing softwares in the world. Aside other video editing softwares, Premiere Pro is one of the best. And I've used it for a year and a half now, and I'm okay with it now, and I would love to share with everybody out there. So the first one I want us to talk about is the interface, and this is how the interface looks like. It's having 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we will start from this part. This is where I call the project layer or the project panel. Under the project panel, you get to import your media over here. You have a media browser where, in case you want to import something into Adobe Premiere Pro, you come here, you search from any of your local disks over here, and then you import it. And then we also have libraries over here as well. We have info, we have effects, and we have markers as well. So this is basically what you may have to know about this part. Now we move to the second part, which I normally call it source. Under the source, we have no clips, we have effect controls, we have audio clip mixer, and we have metadata. And over here, we normally bring in videos from this part to this part, where you finalize everything over here, and then you move it to the next part. So over here, you get a chance to see the source of your video, the effect controls, the audio clip mixer, and then the metadata. Now let's come back to the source. When you come here, we have timeline and no sequence, where you get to set up a timeline for your media or your video, and then you get to edit it finally, and then you export it. So this is where you set up a timeline for your work, or a timeline for whatever you are doing. Now, while you are working on your sequence or your timeline, you get to see the final work over here and see how everything is going. So this is basically a short and a simple summary of everything you need to know about the interface of Adobe Premiere Pro. We also have a color here, where you can use to edit your video or your media. We have the effects panel, where you get to see video transitions, video effects, audio transitions, and so on and so forth. We also have audio here, graphics, and then libraries. So all these are things that include in the Adobe Premiere Pro interface. And then there are some of them that we are going to talk about as time goes on. But please ensure you watch the next videos and the next videos and the next videos before you get Adobe Premiere Pro very well, and then you become a master in it. I know you are going to watch my next video, but don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.